Hi everyone, welcome to the third section of this video. We're going to look at how to completely deny access for a user or a group on a file using ACL. We're also going to look at how to remove ACL from a specific group or user. Alright, we're also going to look at how to remove ACL default entries from a file or a directory. And finally, in this video, we're going to look at how to remove all ACL entries on a file. So we're discussing about file first. So this should be from a file, all right? Okay, so quick one. If you're writing the RHCSA exam or the LFC or the LFCS exam or the SUSE Linux examination, just scroll down to the end of this website and click on the practice questions or the DOMS of the exam that you're going to be writing. We're going to be updating the website from time to time, all right, with the practice questions, and I'm going to be dropping the link to the website in the description section below for easy access. In our previous video, we've looked at the file February 6 file, and we've been able to give the technical user some permissions on the file. So we're going to look at how to remove the read, write, and execute permission on the February 6 file for the technical user. All right. So to do that, you're going to use the set facl command, first modified in the user, just the same way we've been doing it, technique. All right. So this time around, we want to remove both the read write and the execute permission. So we're just going to use the dash. That means we don't want any permission for the technical user on this file. We are denying access for this user. All right. Then followed by the name of the file, February sales. Then we're going to press the enter key. All right, we're having an error here. Oops. So we need to put the colon here. Another error. Okay, sorry. The column needs to be here, and we don't have to put a space between the column and the dash. Okay, so let's now verify with the get facl command. So you can see that the user technique does not have any permission. All right. Also, let's see another example. To remove all the ACL entries from a user, for example, to remove all the ACL entries from the user technique, let's use this option and see if you can see the flag here. So we can see the -X flag, which says remove entries from the ACLs of files. Let's get to see the manual page as well. The examples. So you can see here removing a named group entry from a file. All right, this is for a group. So we don't have for user here, so of course we can copy this. All right, we can just paste this here, and we can do this set facl by removing all ACL entries from a user. All right, so the G will replace it with the U, which is a user, followed by the name of the user, which is technique. All right, followed by the name of the file. So let's use the get facl command again. So you can see that we don't have the user technique here anymore. So we've been able to remove all the ACL entries from the user technique. We can also do that for the group. In the previous video we did for the group finance. Of course, we still have finance here. So let's remove all the ACL entries for the finance group. So what we're going to do is to replace this with G and then the name of the group. So let's see get facl. So you can see that we've been able to remove all ACL entries from the finance group. All right. So let's see how to remove the ACL default entries from a file or a directory. Let me just clear my screen. ACL are of two types. We have the access ACL and the default ACL. The default ACL can only be effective on a directory, and the default option on a directory will allow the ACL permissions set to take effect on the new content, files, and directories that will later be created in that directory. So what I'm saying is that the new content that will be created in that directory where the default options is allowed, all right, will inherit the ACL permission. So, for example, to remove all ACL default entries from the statistics directory, we use the command set facl -k, then the name of the directory, which is statistics, and this will remove the default entries. You can use the set facl up option to look to see the flag that is going to remove the default entries. All right, you can see the -k option here that says remove the default ACL entry. Okay, so thank you for watching. And in the next video, we're going to look at how to use ACL on directories, how to set permissions for a user on a directory recursively, and we're going to see everything that we can do with ACL on a directory. Okay, thanks again, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.